What if the most powerful signal you could send was just 2 words? Thank you. When you say, "Thank you, universe," you're not just reacting to what is. You're aligning with what's possible. It's not just a phrase. It's a frequency of trust, a vibration of alignment. Because the moment you speak it, you're shifting your energy from waiting to receiving, from effort to ease, from resistance to flow. Let's begin. Thank you, universe, for this new beginning.